Christmas decorations that I pulled out of storage. Well, not all, just the color theme that I'm trying to use. I didn't know I had all these things to go through. I'm already behind schedule. I should have already done this. I usually do this back in, I'm talking about November 1st. I'm ready to go. This year has been really busy for me. I had to actually pull away from work to find time to do this. Basically what I'm going to do tonight is pretty much go through these decor. This is my new Christmas tree I purchased from Walmart. I got it the very first week that they was putting out Christmas decors. I got it at a very good price. I think I paid like 60 or 70 something dollars for it, and now I think they're going for like 100 and something dollars. I recently purchased this bad boy right here from Ross. It was $59.99. I plan on using this as a bar cart. I want to spray paint it gold. I'm trying to see if that's the color I want, either gold or champagne, to match this side table right there. But I'm trying to see what I really want to do with it. I want to go to Lowe's and measure inside of this and get me like a mirror cut out to this shape. I hope they could cut out to this shape. I don't know if they only do square, but I want to get some sort of mirror in here. I don't know what kind of DIY project I want to work out, but the goal is to have this look like a mirror bar cart. I've wanted a bar cart in here, but I never got one because the ones that I really want, I was not ready to spend the price. But this one right now, when I seen it, it just spoke to me. And I feel like I could DIY it and make it exactly how I want it to look. And if I want mirror, I could still have the mirror. So we're going to see how this turn out. That'll be another time, another video. So right now, the plan is to get rid of the blue that I have going on here and put more. I want to do like the traditional colors this year. Last year I did, what color did I do last? I think last year I did blue. That's why I kept my decor blue. I think I did blue last year. I honestly believe I did blue. Oh my God, I think I did. Anywho, I wanted to do pink this year. However, I was not ready because if I want to change a theme for the following year, I pretty much go shopping for that particular color that I want after the previous year Christmas. This way I could buy the stuff on sale, and I didn't rack up enough pink items to fulfill my home. So I went ahead and just say, hey, forget it. I got enough traditional items, and I've always wanted to do the black and white checkered, so this is perfect. I'm just going to go through these decorations to see what I really want to use. 75% of these items will be used, and maybe 25% won't be used. I love these nutcrackers right here. These are my favorite. I think I have two more stored away somewhere. These two are like, oh, I love them. I love the color. It just goes with everything. I'm a reindeer fanatic. I usually pick up some reindeer after the Christmas holidays when they're on sale. I actually found this cutie pie right here. I purchased it from Target for about I think $1.50, and it was $15. So I purchased these stockings right here also. So I had some great items from Target last year after Christmas sale, and I purchased all of these. I just don't know what my husband is looking at me. I just don't know what I plan on doing with these little gold leaves. I don't know where I want to put them at. Right now, I'm just cleaning up the area just so I could go ahead and get it ready for the Christmas decors I plan on adding to it. And I'm changing out the wall art that I have. I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to keep and not keep. I had ordered these sconces from Z Gallery. I was just pretty much trying it out to see if I like it next to the picture, which I do, and I am going to go with that one. Okay, guys, so I am still at it. So tired. So the last clip that you saw, that was yesterday. So now today, let me give you a little preview of what's going on. I actually completed the mantle. I'll show you guys a better look. I want to leave the bottom. I have to spread the leaves out, the flocks out on these little miniature Christmas trees. But I was thinking about putting some sort of cloth in the bottom, either black and white to enhance the black and white look. I'm still debating about that, and I actually think I am going to do that. And what I want to do is take some ribbons to put around these boxes, because that's actually part of my decoration here all year long, and I really don't want to move it and go find storage for it. I just really want to take like some ribbons and put it on that. But I'm all done up here. I don't want to do nothing else. I have some amazing lights I'll turn on for you guys in a minute. I am a reindeer fanatic, and I've been collecting reindeers over the years, and I love reindeers that cannot break. I love something that I could spray paint, so that's why I stay with the steels and the metals. And I love all the other stuff that I see, all the other fancy stuff, you know, that I'm seeing with the stones and all that stuff, but with the bejewels. However, something like similar to this stuff. But like I said, I like to change my mind, and I don't want to be stuck. So this reindeer, I love the rustic look of it. I love that. And I love the fact that, again, I could, if I wanted to, I could spray paint this gold. I kept it very simple. And this right here, I didn't buy nothing at the same time. Pretty much everything was purchased separately when it comes to the reindeers. Every time I go out, or every time they have a sale, after Christmas break, I picked these up. But the very big one, I purchased it about 3 years ago, and that was regular price. I think I paid like $17.99 for that. And throughout the years, I just started picking up these other ones. I don't overdo it. I don't have that much. I think in total, like, I have about 6 reindeers that I'm excited about. So what I have here is a battery operated light. So I leave it right here in the corner. Excuse my nails. And when I'm ready to turn on the light, I just lift up my little reindeer doll, and I press it. So it has like about 9 options. The kids love the blinking, and I just pretty much hide it with the doll. No one can't see it. Let me fix my doll. She looking kind of crazy. To be honest with you, I don't remember where I purchased this doll from. It have to be like a after Christmas sale. I think it was Home Goods, if I'm not mistaken, perhaps. I really don't remember, but back to the lights. Look how nice it looks. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. The light so you guys can see. Oh my goodness, isn't it so pretty? I have some LED lights that I plan on, like around Christmas. I usually, would do that. I won't do it now, but I will put inside of these tree and this vase right here. I'll put like the LED lights in it, just so it could be a little bit more festive. But for right now, look. I'm in love. This is it. And like I said, I have like 9 different options for the lighting, but I kept it very, very simple. This is an actual fireplace. As you can see, the walls are black because we've burned stuff in it. This is like a plug-in light, and it's a LED light thing. I loved it at first, but now I regret getting it because I got this so long ago, where now I'm thinking about using this perhaps 1 year in my bedroom, somewhere in my room, in my console table, because it has to be plugged in. So now they have so many options of battery operated candles, because right now I would have to stretch out the cord and plug it up right here, and this just ain't got time for that. You hear me? So I want to get rid of that, and I'm just pretty much, it's just I haven't had the time. I want to clear out this fireplace. I would love for my husband to paint it, because we've decided to never use it again. Well, at least not use it now. And maybe I'll paint it black, or maybe just give it a good clean out and leave the natural stone inside of it. I'm not sure what I want to do. But I really want to do is clear out the bottom, remove all this, rock and all this stuff, the pebble rocks that we got going on here, and just put some like white stones, like something like, or black stones. Like I want to put something in here that's more, and I want to get rid of this barrier gate thing and buy something a little bit nicer. I wanted to keep this stone, but I want to change the mantle to like something white. My husband been so busy, but if he could like DIY this with me, this would have been so awesome. I love the stone, but I'm pretty much tired of it. Does it make sense? I love the wallpaper that I did, but I'm tired of it. Like I did, why am I still in the dark? You guys, give me, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. What I was saying was, I want to get rid of the candle. I want to clean inside this fireplace. Every day I say I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. I never do it. Eventually, I want to change this whole stone, get rid of that. I want something white or something. Child, I have to do that, and I have to change the wallpaper. It's a very nice color because they have both colors in it. However, it's just something about it I don't like anymore. I like it, but then I kind of don't like it. Don't ask me. I'm bored, to be honest with you. I left the stone all natural, like how it was from the day that we purchased this house. This was like that. I never changed it. Every year I say I'm going to change it, and I never do. I was getting ready to do the crown molding and everything in this room, and we have not gotten around to do it because, listen, these DIY projects, first of all, they cost money, and second of all, it takes time. I got this wreath about 4 years ago from Joann's Fabric, and I went there the other day and they had the wreath again, so I purchased some more just so I could have it going around my front door. I'm saving that for next year. This year it was on sale for 70% off, and I think I paid like $9 or $8 for it. And when I originally purchased this, I also got this on clearance. I think I paid around, I think I got this at 80% off, and I think I paid like $5 or $6. So win-win situation. And these little trees, you could find them anywhere. I got these from Ross. Here on my coffee table, I kept it again very simple. I want to paint this XOXO, maybe the bottom. I want to paint it silver instead of the gold, or I just, something silver has to happen. So I'm thinking about spray painting the barrier of this table silver, like a metallic silver, and leave these gold, and then paint a new bar cart gold. That's what I think I am going to do, because I feel like I have like a whole bunch of gold going around here and not enough silver. I'm thinking about doing that, because the problem with this being gold is I have like a lot of gold decor. So when I put gold on gold, it just don't look right. I don't know. And again, that's why I love to buy things that I could change it around, that I'm not stuck with. This was like an IKEA table. Eventually I want to get like a round table, but I want to sell this first. And I like, so again, I could always touch it up, and I could always, do something different with it. It's a very nice table. I mean, like I said, I love it. It goes with what I got going on here, and the price was amazing. However, I did the gold for about 3 years. So now I'm thinking about doing, like I said, silver. And this way, my bar cart, I could really pop it out and make that gold. This is pretty much how my coffee table is going to be for the holidays. I just threw some ornaments around this right here. I purchased this Lazy Susan from Home Goods. I mean, this is one of my favorite pieces. I love this thing. It is so gorgeous. When I purchased it, it was about $59. I don't regret spending that. I love it. It's huge. It takes my decorations, and I sometimes use it different areas of my home, but I just love it. It's just so freaking pretty. These balls I actually made. At one point in time, I was selling decor balls, which I plan on going back selling. So I made the silver and the gold one. But do you see how many variations of gold that I got going on here? Some people it works for, but for me, I'm like, So I'm going to do silver and pretty much bring gold decor. I mean, I have stuff everywhere, you guys. I'm still trying to figure some things out. You see my camera? I'm vlogging on my phone because camera is like so annoying. I still have not put up the Christmas tree, which I need to do ASAP. But while I have the opportunity, I'm just trying to separate things, get rid of some ornaments. I want to get rid of some stuff. I have too much things I have been collecting over the years, and I'm at the point where I'm tired of it. I want to either sell it or throw it away. That's just the option. Sell it, throw it away, or give it to... I don't like giving stuff to Goodwill. The reason why I don't like giving stuff to Goodwill is because I hate the fact that they turn around and try to sell some of these things for so much money, and then half the time your stuff going to garbage anyways. But anyway, that's another story for another time. This is what I got going on here. I will get back to you guys when I make a dish. I just wanted to jump on here to show you guys the final look. I found these gold garland that I had stashed away. Adding it made a huge difference. It kind of uplifted the space. Now the only question is, should I paint this reindeer gold or not? Because I wanted to add some sort of gold on that side so it could leverage out from the other side. So let me know in the comment section, should I or should I not? This is how it looks again in the dark. I enjoyed decorating my mantle this year. Please leave in the comment section, what did you think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Or what should I change or not change? Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you stay tuned for my next video where I'm showing you the rest of the house and also how I decorate my Christmas tree.